Hello friends. In this video I am going to show how to install TWRP in any Redmi, Poco, Mi devices. Requirements. Device bootloader must be unlocked. I am not responsible for any brick of your device. Now go to PC. Download and extract all the files, link is in description. First install 15 seconds Adb Installer. Type Y and hit enter to whatever it asks. Now open Mi Flash folder. Run Xiaomi Flash tool as administrator. Now click on drivers. Click on install. Now open Platform Tools folder. Now paste TWRP image in Platform Tools folder. Now go to your phone. Hold power button. Now turn off your phone. Now hold volume down and power buttons till you enter fast boot mode. Now take a data cable and connect with your PC and phone. Now back to PC. Type CMD in address bar and hit enter. Now type fast boot devices and hit enter. It will show a number. That means your phone is connected to PC. Now type fast boot space flash space recovery space drag and drop the TWRP image to CMD. Remember to give space after typing recovery. Now back to your phone. Disconnect your data cable. Now hold volume up and power buttons for 10 to 15 seconds. Flash patched boot image to make TWRP permanent. How to create patched boot image video link is in description.